There is a little photo more to look at. It was a very brave man, Peter, a brother to Meta. Uncle Peter, as we called him. His full name was Niels Peter Andersen. He was number 12. He was born 14th May 1880 and died 6th August 1961 at Svendborg Hospital, Svendborg. As 5-6 years old, he got a very bad inflammation of the middle ears. If the parents had no money or the doctor did not know what to do, one can never know. The result was very little hearing for the rest of his life. Nevertheless, he was well educated. He taught himself lip reading and noticed people's eyes and gestures. As young, he was a helper for Meta's husband, Jørgen, with cheeses making, and kept also a white horse with black spots, currycombing it every day. Later he bought a villa in Hesselager Fjunen, still on the same way to Nyborg, where he had a big stock with all the big 100-pound cheeses. He had to turn over and move alone from time to time, and with a wagon filled with different tastes and pieces, and a horse the first years, later an old Ford, he drove around all over South Fjunen. People knew when he came to their farms and houses, and they loved his famous cheeses. He always gave good weight, and he never had too little money to help his little sister number 13, Maren, and all her children, or persons, or the Baptist congregation. He was a profound Christian, and after his death, my parents had to realize his villa, and the money from the sale went to buying a villa for the General Secretary of the Baptists in Denmark on Amager, Copenhagen. He was a very fine and good man. A funny thing for these 3 married couples is, if we think of their birth months, Niels and Gertrud were both born in October. Meta and Jørgen both in April. And Jens and Karen both in June. As we have Esther's sisters, we have also Karl's only brother, Ingvar, on another wall, as there was no space here. Ingvar Nielsen was born 27th April 1908 and died 21st March 1976 in Svendborg Hospital, Svendborg. You can see here a little photo of the family farm named Kristens Gave. That means Christens gift. Ingvar married on the 13th June 1930 with Inger Johansen. She was from Hesselager. She was born 29th August 1907 and died 2nd June 1994. They got 2 children, Birgit and Paul Erik Nielsen. Birgit changed her name to Gitte. She is an artist painting, making collages, and was a therapist for elderly persons. and she was born 8th May 1935. Paul Erik was born 21st May 1944. He became a farmer as his father, grand and great-grandfather, but later he became a pig consultant for the farmers and made other things too.